Namaskaram. So, existence, consciousness, bliss. These are unlimited and non dual. When they become limited, then we see duality and opposites. So, bliss, when it is limited, the opposites are happiness and sorrow. And when consciousness is limited, it takes in the form of knowledge and ignorance. And existence is existence, and a man always seeks to for unlimited existence, consciousness, bliss, but in various ways. Through pleasures, he seeks bliss through various pursuit of various pleasures, and seeks existence by accumulating many things, lands, properties, and all, wealth, and all. People accumulating even people also, relationships and all. Uh, Consciousness means want to know many things, everything want to know, and keeps on reading, keeps on searching. That's what. But the conscious pursuit of that existence, consciousness, bliss, non-dual, unlimited is through spirituality and yoga.